What did you get from Mommy and Daddy? Here, look in the bag. What did you get from Mommy and Daddy? Ooh, ooh, he says.
Daddy.
Yeah, we're going to take this for Daddy so he can see you open it. Open it up. What is that?
It's a baby.
It's a shirt. Do you know what that says? It says Big Brother. No, it's for you. It's for you because you're his big brother.
Where's the package? The box.
Let's see where his priorities are.
Got her on.
It's all about that iPod.
What? That bag or what?